Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC again. I just talked about BTC like a couple hours ago before the breakout, and then we talked about like BTC going to a 12K. We also talked about like a possibility of BTC getting shorted just about 9K, but the bear is kind of like too weak to short BTC. So we could be seeing some rejection, slightly below 9K again, but BTC is extremely bullish. So, and then we're gonna talk about the volume. I forgot to mention like the volume last time, how extremely bullish BTC is, right? When you take a look at the volume on, let's go to, let's just remove everything. It's gonna be a very short live stream. So the current price of BTC is just about like 91.62. Today is 6/16/2019, 1 a.m. right? So it's just about 1 a.m. So June 16th. So BTC is just about 9200, guys. So 9200. so let's talk about the volume on Bitstamp first of all. So because I just wanted to clarify something really quick. So but the alt getting crushed, man. So I like BTC going up, but altcoin, they getting crushed, man. So let's move on to the volume. So let's talk about the monthly volume first of all. So I talked about it, on my last live stream, but it is like quite important to emphasize it again, right? So when you take a look at the volume, just about this area. We only got like this month volume. Like let's go to a Bitstamp, not Bitstamp, but a Binance, because Binance has better volume. So when you take a look at this volume, just about this area, this month of June, right? The current volume is just about 500,000, right? Like almost like 600,000. The volume is almost like 600,000, right? And then we got 2 weeks to go, right? Almost 2 weeks to go. Today is only like today's June 16th, right? So we only got like 2 weeks to go. And then I'm expecting like 1 million BTC traded volume at least like this month. So it is quite amazing like how we're gonna how we're gonna be breaking like 10K and go straight up to 12K. Most people are sleeping, man. So we talked about this like since like March. BTC is extremely bullish. Nothing bearish about BTC, guys. Nothing bearish about BTC. So this 1 million, the next 500,000 BTC we're gonna be getting like for traded volume. It is most likely going to push the price up to 12K. Most likely it is going to push the price up to 12K. So you take a look at 12K is also like a 0.618, right, to 50%. So it is just about this area. So 50% pullback. We're almost at 382, but I don't think that we're gonna get a rejection at 382, because you gotta think about it. The momentum is extremely bullish. So what type of rejection we're gonna get at 382? I don't think like we're gonna get any rejection, because you gotta think about it this way. If like BTC gets a rejection, right, we're gonna get a bearish candle, right, most likely for the monthly. So it'll look extremely bad. So really bad if we get a rejection at 9,500, right? So we're gonna get this type of candle, right, at least for the short term, if like we get any sort of rejection at the end of the month, right, with 500,000 traded BTC volume, right? So it is extremely important like to understand, like if we get any type of rejection at 9,500, it'll look extremely bad, right? That's the type of candle we're gonna get. Some like a small body, most likely a big wick, like some like this, right? So we're most likely going to be closing somewhere around like 8,500 in that range. So, and I don't see like BTC closing below 8,500 this month. So at least for the short term, right? But we're going to have to see, because the bearish momentum is not calling for BTC to close below 8,500 on June 30th. So I'm expecting BTC to close at least like 11 to 11.3 before June 30th. So but we will see. But the volume The volume is calling for higher price, the chart is calling for higher prices. So I don't see like, you know, how we're gonna get like lower prices, you know, before end of the month, right? So but anything can happen, but at least for the short term, I don't see like BTC dropping below like 85 to closing below 8,500 before June 30th. So closing below 8,500 below June 30th. So because you gotta think about it, right? This month we open at 85.55. So a close below like 85.55 gonna give us, you know, this type of candle. It'll look extremely bad. I just said it. It will look bad, at least for the short term. So and with a, you know, 500,000, you know, BTC trading volume, we're most likely not even gonna close this way. Right? We're not gonna close like this, right? So basically, we're most likely gonna be closing like that, right? Just like that. So it'll be, you know, get BTC back to like, you know, 7,000, which is, you know, nearly impossible. But I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but I'm not expecting it. So at least for the short term. So we're getting slight rejection on the lower time frame. If you go back to the 4-hour, it's not a big deal. We're coming back down to like 9,100. So it is extremely bullish, guys. It is extremely bullish. So it is extremely bullish, right? For the bearish momentum, we already talked about it. I was expecting like a, you know, a slight push pullback just like this, but I'm not even sure if we're gonna get it, but we still like, you know, have it in play in case like we get some rejection coming back down to like 94 to 9,500, you know, before next week, and then the following week, the week after that, we most likely gonna push higher. So, but BTC is extremely bullish, guys. It is extremely bullish. So we've been saying it since BTC was 3K, guys, 3,500, 3,800. Most people are still waiting for 5K BTC. Unless you know, you're holding some alt, right? So we look at alt looking bad, guys. Let's take a look at XRP. I forgot to talk about XRP last time. We're gonna take a look at the XRP and then a dollar. The XRP and the dollar, exactly same pattern we talked about last time. I said like XRP going to be getting this flat correction, and then we're going to be moving to the upside. So I usually don't take a look at XRP US dollar, but you take a look at XRP US dollar, it is extremely bullish, guys. So most likely, as soon as BTC like cool, get some like you know, some bearish momentum, XRP could take advantage of that bearish momentum and then like push to the upside, right? So but the dollar value of I mean XRP versus the dollar, it is extremely you know, extremely bullish, right? So it is only XRP BTC that is like kind of like a bearish, but you know, as long as BTC is going up, the dollar value of XRP most likely gonna go up. I mean, gonna go up, right? So you gotta think about it. BTC going up to like a 12K, most likely gonna get XRP back to like a 48 to 50 cents, right? Even though if the BTC value of XRP going to be dropping, but it's not going to be dropping as fast as the as fast as BTC is going up. So and I hope you understand what I mean, right? So you got to keep that in mind, at least for the short term. But XRP is extremely bullish, guys. So same pattern with Ethereum. Nice flat correction. You know, I talked about this flat correction when BTC was just about like 5K. I said like BTC is going to 9,500, guys. So that was when BTC was making this flat correction, because Litecoin made that flat correction. XRP is making this flat correction again. So expect at least XRP to get a 70% to a 75% move to the upside, guys, from this point on, just about this area. So you're looking at XRP at least, you know, 60 to 65 cents, right, shortly, you know, from this current run. So I'm expecting at least XRP to 65 to 75 cents, guys. The volume of XRP is not even that much. So you take a look at the volume, it is, you know, decreasing, guys. We talked about volume long time ago, guys. So we talked about volume. So you just got to imagine, like, if XRP breaks this volume, just about this area, this trend line, you know, just about this area, we most likely, right, going to be receiving a lot of, you know, a big volume just about this area, right? So we're going to be receiving big volume just about this area, and then this volume going to push the price up just about like 65 to 75 cents, guys. So, and most people are going to be excited. XRP back to like a 75 cents, guys. So keep that in mind, at least for the short term. XRP is extremely bullish, guys. It is extremely bullish. I said it when BTC was just about 3,800, guys. We were calling for 52 to 53 when everybody was calling for like a 2K BTC. So everybody calling for 20K now. So keep that in mind. Let me take a look at the chat room very shortly before we call it a day. But BTC is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Don't play with BTC, guys. Don't play with BTC. So let's go back to BTC. We might be getting some slight sell-off, but it is looking extremely bullish, guys. We talked about this flat correction, guys, on the 4th, guys. On the 4th, we said it is just a normal correction. It is nothing, guys. Don't be panicking. Just like that, guys. Just like that. And then we say we're going to 1100, guys. Same correction we got just about this area, guys. That's what we said, right? So take a look at this area. We said exactly on the 22nd of February, we're going to be making this inverse head and shoulder, guys. And then we're going to go exactly at, 52 to 53. And then if you think about it, right, we close at 50, we close at 53, right? On April, right? We close at 53, guys. And then we said it back in March. So BTC is extremely bullish, guys. It is extremely bullish. Hey, what's up, Spencer? Hey, what's up, Sarah? Hey, what's up, Sunny? Yeah, we should be buying more XRP, guys. I think like I need to fill up my bags too. But we will see, guys. XRP is extremely bullish, guys. If you guys don't have any other, alt, any other markets you want to talk about, we can just call it a day. I just wanted to cover the volume profile for BTC because it is quite amazing, like how much volume we got left for the rest of the month, right? So we got at least another 500,000 trading volume for BTC. 500,000, guys, and we got 2 weeks. So it is a lot, guys. It's going to be some lot of volatility at least the next couple of weeks. So it is going to be a lot of volatility, guys, because it is going to be a lot of volatility. Because you gotta think about it, right? Just about like the first week of June, right? We got this type of volatility, guys. We got this type of volatility. So can you imagine, like, the type of volatility we're gonna get, up to this area? So we could be replicating this volatility the first week of May. We could get the same type of volatility the first week of June, not May. We could be getting this the same type of volatility just about like this last week of June, right? So that'll take us just about 12K. So people are sleeping, man. I hope I'm not the one sleeping, but at least for the short term, we've been pretty much like on target for every single move, guys. Every single move. You go on my trading view, guys. We've been calling for 9,500 BTC. Just about this area, guys. 9,500 BTC, guys. 9,500 BTC, guys. We've been calling the last 30 days. Why is it taking so long? Come on. Been calling for 9,500 BTC back in May 17th, guys. That was like almost a month, guys. Almost a month, guys. Almost a month. We've been calling for 9,500 BTC, guys. We're almost there. So almost there, guys. Just hold tight. Just hold tight. So take a look at it. been calling for 9500 BTC. It is kind of loading slow for some reason, but it does that every time I'm doing a live stream for some reason. But we've been calling for 9500 BTC since like May 17th, right? So May 17th. It's almost a month, guys. It's almost a month. Some people, they're not paying attention. They're gonna tell you BTC gonna go to 10K today. You know, and then once we hit 12K, you know, they're gonna be calling for a sell-off, guys. We're gonna update the price as soon as we hit 12K, guys. BTC is extremely bullish. It is extremely bullish, guys. It is extremely bullish. So, at least for the short term, right? It is extremely bullish. You can see, like, we've been calling for 9500. That was May 17th, guys. May 17th. Take a look at it. You know, we're almost there, guys. We're almost about to hit the box, guys. You know, almost about to hit it, guys. So we called for this drop, like, you know, 30 days ago, guys. 30 days ago, we called all these drops. People are just slipping, guys. Matic, let's talk about Matic very shortly. 3 million Matic. That's good, guys. Matic, we're coming back down. We talked about Matic like for bearish momentum. We broke this trend line. Now we're coming back below it. BTC is extremely bullish, so I would be looking for reversal pattern, right? When you take a look at Matic, we don't have any right now. We are extremely bullish going up, but we got like a, you know, rejection just about like 350 as we talked about, right? We said like, I think Matic was just about like 270 last time we talked about Matic, right? Just about this area, 270 to 290. We say like 350 to 360. We have to break it, otherwise, you know, we could be looking bearish. So for the bearish momentum, I would be looking for like a retest of like, you know, just about like 200, guys, to 190 to 200. Like if, like, let's say we break to 190 to 200, we just don't have any other support, right? So let's hope like we're gonna get some support from 190 and to 200, right? So otherwise, you know, you just gotta expect like, you know, a big reversal from this area, right? So you would be expecting just a reversal from the current price. So, but it is not, it is, I mean, it is valid to be, you know, looking at this trend line also, you know, but let's see if like Matic gonna be holding strong. Otherwise, you know, we're just gonna have to wait like just about like a, you know, you would be looking at a safer way, just like that, right? So you would be looking at a safer way. But right now we're holding strong just about this area of 230, right? 230. So let's see if Matic gonna be able to hold strong at 230. So at least for the short term. But BTC is pretty strong, so I'm not sure like how Matic gonna be able to hold this area when the volume is decreasing. So it's not gonna be easy at all. So let's just wait and see, right? And let's go back to BTC very shortly. Yeah, BTC is looking strong at 9130. So we just talked about it, you know, 9100. I mean 1100 to 12K, guys. 1100 to 12K. So keep that in mind, at least for the short term. 1100 to 12K. So all right. All right. If you guys don't have any alt you want to talk about, I'm just gonna call it a day. That was just for a short live stream, guys. So look for 12K BTC before, you know, July, guys. July, maybe, you know, in July we can get some sell off, but look for 12K before July. So All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm just gonna call it a day.